everyone. My name is Caitlin. And today I'm going... No, I'm just joking. What's up, guys? It's Caitlin. And it's finally summer for me, and it's raining outside. Isn't that fun? So, because it is raining, I was thinking, what can I do? I was like, oh, why don't I inform people about things to do when it's raining? So I concocted a list, and I'm gonna read it to you. You can totally play video games. You can call a pizza place and order a bunch of pizzas to some random person's house. You can go bowling. You can go outside, run in the rain, and be like, I'm playing in the rain. You can kick some serious butt in Battleship with your family, because Battleship is cool. You can watch Pokemon all day. Duh. You can annoy your parents. That's always fun. You could pretend you're doing a full-on concert in your room. The bed is your stage. You could plan your wedding that you're going to have one day with any of the 5 boys from One Direction, or all 5 of them. I mean, hey, why not? Get stalk One Direction on Twitter. You can go on Tumblr. I mean, it's Tumblr. So yeah. You could read The Fault in Our Stars for the 1000th time and still cry at the ending. You could make things. Making things is always fun. Okay, well, those are some things that you can do during summer while it's raining, or while it's raining in general. Do them. Don't do them. Leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment below telling me some of the things you do while it's raining, or during summer, or just when you're bored. I'd like to know. I am going to start uploading regularly. I know I said that before, but I'm actually going to do it this time. So don't fret. The people, friends who watch my videos. Okay, so, okay, I'm going to go now. Remember, peace, love, and stay you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.